So remember, we have 4 parts. We hooked up a brain. We're using OpenAI GPT 4.1. That is our brain, so we're good to go. Now, as for the system prompt, I want to touch on that really quick. I have the perfect prompt format for you guys. If you go to my free community inside the classroom, underneath free resources, you can find it underneath AI agent system prompt format, and I have a link to a Google document where I define the perfect system prompt for AI agents. Again, the link to my free community is down in the description or over in my bio. You can hit up my website and find it there. Inside of your Make AI agent, you can add context right here. You can think of this as a knowledge base. So you can click add right here, and any of these file types, so TXT, PDF, Word doc, CSV file, JSON, MD, all of these file types are supported. You can upload the file, and then your AI agent will be able to access these files, this knowledge base, if you will, to grab factual information to give factual answers back to the user. These are the limitations. So 20 megabytes maximum per file, 50 files maximum per team, 100 files maximum per organization, and 20 files maximum per AI agent. This is great for small to medium use cases, but if you have a huge lengthy knowledge base that might constantly be changing or constantly need updating, then what I recommend for that is a RAG database. That's for another video. That was context, so a knowledge base. That's kind of like a tool. It kind of falls, I classify it as a tool, and a little bit of memory. They kind of overlap, but I want to specifically talk about memory really quick within Make AI agents. It's really simple. Where you go to find that is over in agent settings right here. Right here, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can define the maximum number of agent runs in the thread history. So what this means is the AI agent will be able to pull currently the 10 most recent interactions in the chat. So if I want my AI agent to be able to go further into the past, further into the chat history, maybe I would set this number to 20, 30, 50, 100. You can set this to whatever number you want. And so as you increase this number, it can go further back into your chat history and pull any relevant information or context back into the current chat or where you're currently at interacting with your AI agent. I'll dive into this a bit more later on in the video. Now I want to talk about tools. So remember, tools are what give your AI agents muscles. Inside of Make.com, they might look like this. Tools are essentially separate scenarios or separate automations, separate workflows that you have built out in Make.com that you can hook up to your AI agent. These tools might look something like this, something short and simple, or they could be more lengthy like this. This is my knowledge retrieval, so my RAG database inside of Pinecone. My AI agent can call upon and execute this tool, hit up my RAG database inside of Pinecone, and grab specific information in my lengthy knowledge base, anything related to the specific inquiry that the user gives the AI agent, and then it can use that context to draft up a factual, concise reply to the user.